closures of all schools.
Emory healthcare workers trying to curb the coronavirus pandemic, what they're saying about the shortage of equipment.
How a local company plans to drastically expand coronavirus testing in a new way.
We are following breaking news tonight. Governor Kemp putting Georgia on lockdown. Thank you for joining us at 9 tonight. I'm Sean Gables.
Sean, good to see you. Hi, everyone. I'm Alicia Roberts. The governor planning to sign a statewide shelter-in-place order tomorrow. CBS 46's Barmel Lyons is live for us tonight at the state capitol, explaining what it all means for you. Barmel.
Yeah, the governor is working late into the night with his task force, creating that shelter-in-place order. But we won't know what's in it until tomorrow.
This is absolutely not just like the flu. It's many times more transmissible, and it's also much more deadly.
With COVID-19 cases rapidly rising, State Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey confirms the elderly are the most vulnerable.
Nursing homes are probably the highest risk situation we have, short of cruise ships.
Governor Kemp says these numbers are a game changer.
In the weeks to come, the Georgia National Guard units will have boots on the ground to assist those operations and continue to ensure we're protecting our most vulnerable citizens.
The shelter-in-place order will be signed tomorrow, and it's not something you should take lightly.
Going to a facility and they're not moving along, then we will take that action. Get what you need where you can shelter up for a while, stay home.
People like Nick LeBaron already rushing to shopping centers.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for the teepee to come back. I'm almost out. I'm getting worried about it.
Governor Kemp says it's important to stay calm.
I understand people are scared. We've never seen anything like this, but as I mentioned at the close of my speech, we don't need to be afraid.
Now, although Governor Kemp is announcing the shelter in place tomorrow, it doesn't go into effect until Friday, okay? So it's something you guys have to look out for. Another thing he announced is that 4 medical pods he purchased in order for his efforts to continue to help the vulnerable. Alicia.
The governor clearly taking those extra measures tonight in Barmel. Right now, any word on how long that statewide shelter-in-place order will last?
Yeah, Alicia, he says it's going to last all the way until April 13th. That's just the day after Easter, and it could extend.
Certainly would align if it did extend with the president's order, which extends through the end of April. We will keep you posted. Barmel will see it tonight on CBS 46 News at 11. Well, as you might imagine, grocery stores were busy tonight after Governor Kemp announced the statewide lockdown. This is new video showing those empty store shelves that we've seen so often. This was the case at a Walmart in Lawrenceville. We asked shoppers how concerned they are with the outbreak.
Got to be mindful, but be cautious. But we're still Americans. We're smart. We got heads on our shoulders. We always got the potential to do good and help others. So.
I'm not scared necessarily because I feel like it's going to pass soon, but it's just kind of weird, you know, because we've never been through this since we've been alive for the past like 20 years or so.
Yeah, this is unprecedented. Grocery stores are, by the way, considered essential. The state reports they will remain open during the lockdown.
Governor Kemp's order follows another massive spike in coronavirus cases in Georgia. Let's take a look at the numbers just released tonight. Right now, there are 4,748 confirmed cases of COVID-19. That's up more than 600 from just 24 hours ago. Across the state, 154 people have died from the virus. All K through 12 public school buildings in Georgia will be closed throughout the remainder of the school year. Governor Kemp making that announcement during his afternoon news conference today. It means students will be learning virtually for the rest of the semester. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy explains the impact on families and teachers.
School is officially out for the year.
I will sign an executive order today closing K through 12 public schools for the rest of the school year.
The news not what parents were hoping for.
I have 2 daughters who need extra help, so they get one-on-one services with teachers, and they can't do that with the online classes.
While other parents understanding the new safety measures.
I think that's very good because you want to keep the children out of danger and stuff like that. You know, it's a deadly virus out in the area.
Atlanta Public Schools in a statement say we will work on the impact of this decision, including exploring alternative scenarios to celebrate our 2020 graduates and to address the loss of instructional learning time. While Gwinnett Public Schools announced that the county is prepared to continue digitally as well as the feeding of children. The Clayton County Superintendent wrote, "While we acknowledge the challenges, our expectation of quality teaching and learning will continue for all teachers and students." Parents say this is like nothing they've ever experienced before and are trying their best.
We're lucky that we haven't lost our income and that we are safe and able to keep our kids home with us, but it's definitely a challenge.
One parent told me who had just lost their job that they are trying to get hired at a grocery store but are now at a loss about how to support their kids and look after them at the same time. In Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
Jamie, thank you. And new tonight, Fulton County leaders approving a $10 million emergency relief fund. The money will prioritize senior services, small business loans, and the county's homeless population. Commissioners also passed a shelter-in-place ordinance, which requires all Fulton County residents to stay home except to go get food, exercise, or other essential services. Violators could be fined up to $1,000 and sentenced to 1 year in jail.
Tonight, local health experts are predicting a spike in coronavirus patients happening somewhere